So 80 participants have already joined. So Anita ma'am told very nice mnemonic. Anita ma'am is here.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Janabe
I'm here.
Ali. Once again, you repeat, Anita ma'am.
ये एम्फोटेरिक ऑक्साइड्स के लिए कहा जाता है, याद कराते हैं। जनाबे आली ने बेकार करके गाया पंजाबी सॉन्ग।
जनाबे आली ने बेकार करके गाया पंजाबी सॉन्ग। यस।
हाँ, इसमें इसमें उन सभी मेटल्स का नाम आता है जो एम्फोटेरिक नेचर के होते हैं, मींस उनका कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एसिडिक एज वेल एज बेसिक ऑक्साइड्स होता है।
यस, वेरी नाइस मैम।
ऐसा हम लोग बहुत सारे बनाते हैं।
Yes, this is a nice. Yes, yes, ma'am.
नूतन मैम, मैं अपने बेटे क्लास 6 में, मेरा बेटा, तो मैं उसको पीरियोडिक टेबल पढ़ा रही थी। इनर्ट गैस का पी ब्लॉक का है, तो उसमें इनर्ट गैसेस का नाम लर्न करना था। तो आई हैव जस्ट मेक हीना, नीना और करीना का एक्सरे। H for helium, N for neon,
yes,
A for argon, K for krypton, and X for xenon. So it's a very helpful for me in order to teach my son, and he has learned the whole periodic table in this way only.
तुम एग्जाम दोगे?
Yes, like this in every topic we can make it. Now in these, yes, ma'am. Yes.
बायोलॉजी में हम लोग प्रोटीन को पढ़ते हैं।
Yes,
डिफरेंट 20 टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटीन का नाम देते हैं बायोलॉजी में। साल, वाल, साल, काल, कार्ब, मैट, एम्पटैट, दैट मींस साल मींस हो गया कि सेरीन, वाल मींस हो गया वैलिन,
yes,
गैल का
yes,
मतलब हो गया ग्लूटामीन, है ना? इस तरह से इसका नाम हम लोग देके
yes, very nice, ma'am.
मैम मैं तो बोलता हूँ पढ़ना है तो पढ़, नहीं पढ़ना है तो जा करे, मत पढ़ना है।
And for which topic you tell this? पढ़ना है तो पढ़।
All topic, ma'am, all topic, A to Z.
Sir, that is not mnemonic. Mnemonic is to help the children to remember anything, to memorize anything, and this is not the mnemonic पढ़ना है तो पढ़ and garja. This is not mnemonic. Yes, on these topics.
Yes, northeastern state, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Shyamli ma'am.
English spelling बताऊं?
हाँ, Savita ma'am.
Assassination. How do you remember assassination?
Yes.
S is donkey. ठीक है?
Yes.
गधे के ऊपर गधा, उसके ऊपर मैं और
S के ऊपर I के ऊपर nation.
Pronunciation. Yes, yes, yes.
A-double-S,
Yes,
I-N-A-T-I-O-N.
Yes, yes, very nice, Savita ma'am. Yes, Shyamli ma'am was telling about northeastern states. Yes, Shyamli ma'am.
ATM Anna Mummy.
Yes, ATM Anna Mami, side by side on my slides also you must be seeing. Yes, ATM Anna Mami. Then wheat producing states, jute growing states, SAARC countries. Okay. Now, yes.
one thing मैथमेटिक्स में एक और है।
Yes.
कैलकुलेशन होता है।
Yes.
Please excuse my dear.
Yes.
Aunt Sally.
Please excuse my dear.
My aunt, dear Aunt Sally.
Dear Aunt Sally. Yes. Then it is to memorize what?
P for parenthesis.
Yes.
D for exponential, M for multiplication, then D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction.
Yes.
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Mathematics में calculation के लिए use किया जाता है.
Yes, like this mnemonic techniques we can use in all the subjects. Here about SAARC, I told you, South Asian Association of Regional Cooperation, those countries. Mute yourself, please. Yes, about these SAARC countries, we can tell our students, you just remember this word, apni MBBS. Okay, this MBBS degree, they all must be knowing. And how they will decode it? A for Afghanistan, apni, P for Pakistan, N for Nepal, I for India. And MBBS, Maldives, M for Maldives, B for Bangladesh, B for Bhutan, and S for Sri Lanka. So if they have to remember the name of the SAARC countries, only they should remember this word, apni MBBS. Then next, I told you northeastern states, as Shyamli ma'am told you, that ATM Ana Mami. This is a funny sentence. We can tell the students, you just remember this word, this sentence, ATM Ana Mami, and how they will decode it. A for Assam, T for Tripura, M for Meghalaya, that is ATM. Then Ana, A for Arunachal Pradesh. This NA for Nagaland. ATM Ana Mami. MA for Manipur, and MI for Mizoram. Then wheat producing states. In geography, it is very important. Geography teachers must be knowing. It is difficult for the students to remember the name of the states according to the crops. So what we can tell the students, wheat producing states, they will remember only this sentence, UP bimar hai. Although UP is not bimar, yogi ki bahar hai, UP bimar nahi hai. But this sentence, we can tell the children, UP bimar hai.
मैम अभी बोलोगे तो ट्रोल हो जाओगे अभी.
Yes, that's why I'm telling. UP में बाहर है. UP
ट्रोल
is
हो
not
जाओगे मैम अभी.
UP is not Bimar. But this sentence we can tell our children that UP Bimar hai, and how they will decode it. U for
मैम बिहार हरियाणा एंड राजस्थान बाहर बना देगा मैम यूपी को, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
Yes, you can also make different type of
मैडम यूपी ऑलरेडी यूपी में पहले से बाहर है.
Yes, sir.
अभी ट्रोल हो गए मैम.
Yes, sir, just a minute. We are not sitting here to discuss on political issues, sir. Keep them aside. We are here discussing about from our students' point of view. So don't take it otherwise. This sentence is UP Bimar hai. That doesn't mean that really UP is Bimar. Just a funny sentence. And how the children will decode it. U for Uttar Pradesh, P for Punjab, BI for Bihar, MA for Madhya Pradesh, R for Rajasthan, and HAI is for Haryana. Like this, they can learn it. Now, jute growing states. Which sentence we can tell the children to learn? Amount for ABP. ABP is the name of what? Can you tell me? ABP?
News channel.
Very famous news channel. Okay.
Yes,
that channel needs money also for its development or for its program or whatever it is. So we can tell our students that, okay, amount for ABP. You can just write amount for ABP, and how they will decode it. A for Assam, M for Meghalaya, O for Odisha, U for Uttar Pradesh, N for Nagaland, T for Tripura, amount for ABP, A for Andhra Pradesh, B for Bihar, and P for Paschim Bengal. So if they remember this amount for ABP, they can learn this jute, remember very easily. They can know about jute growing states. Now about Mughal rule.
Nagaland does not produce jute. Nagaland and Uttar
In India's
Pradesh
map,
does not
in
produce
India's
jute.
map, it was given, ma'am. Yesterday also I have seen. In India's map, it was given. And on Google also you search, these states are written. Yes, here about the Mughal rulers. You know, friends, mostly what happens, science and maths teacher don't take it otherwise, but what they think, their subject is very nice. Social science is of no interest. But I tell to my students that you tell, if you are reading social science, you tell to your other subject teachers or your other friends who are reading math science that bright hai apna jeevan, suna apne. This only they will learn. Bright hai apna jeevan, suna apne. And how they will decode it? Bright. B for Babar. H for Humayun. Apna. A for Akbar. Jeevan. J for Jahangir.
Jahangir.
Suna. S for Shahjahan. And Aapne. A for Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb.
So if we tell our students that they will just remember this sentence, bright hai apna jeevan, suna aapne, then they will remember the name of the Mughal rulers. So friends, in this way, we can
Very
introduce.
interesting, ma'am.
Yes, thank you.
One more technique.
Yes.
Oh, 7 Mercury Earth वगैरह का जो है.
Yes, my very educated mother just served us nuts. Nuts.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So this mnemonic technique.
मैम फिजिक्स एक बोलूं?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
मैम.
Yes sir.
फिजिक्स में ऐसे ही हम लोग बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं कलर कोड.
Yes
हर
sir.
कलर का अपना कोड है.
Yes.
हाँ, B right.
Yes,
great,
yes, yes.
Britain, very good, white. All the colors are here, blue, black से लेकर red, orange, red सब.
Yes sir. Yes
जैसे
sir.
आप टेक्निक बताइए.
Yes sir. I told you that in every subject we can.
सर हम लोग हिंदी में इसको पढ़े बैनिया पीनाला.
Yeah.
बैनिया भिजो.
Yes.
कोडिंग है +2 में कलर कोड. हर कलर का कोड बच्चा जीवन में नहीं भूलेगा. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 जैसे मैडम बता रही थी. सिस्टम से हम सारा नोट करके जा रहे हैं. वैसे ही सारे कलर का कोड है.
Yes sir.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
जी मैम हिंदी में हम लोग
बताया.
Yes ma'am.
हिंदी में हम लोग समास के 6 भेद होते हैं, उसको बताते हैं. द्वंद्वी अब तक.
Yes.
द्वंद्वी अब तक. तो
then how you will decode it? How you will decode it?
द्वंद्वी अब तक.
Yes, the name of the samas. Then how you will tell ma'am? द्वंद्वी अब तक. अब वही समास.
द्वंद्व समास. द्वंद्वी से द्वंद्व समास.
Yes.
आ से अव्ययभाव समास. बा से बहुब्रीहि समास. ता से तत्पुरुष. का से कर्मधारय है.
So ma'am, you just think the importance of Hindi, that in all the subjects while making mnemonics we take the help of Hindi language. As I have also shown you various mnemonics, they all are based on Hindi language only. And then only it makes and it seems interesting. So that's the importance of Hindi. Now, next technique is flashcards. As Angna ma'am that time told, it is a visual technique. Flashcards can be of various types. What we can do, we can show a picture to students. Then we can ask the questions based on that, or we can write question answers on flashcards, then consolidated key facts, list of key definitions, and the summary of a topic we can write on flashcards. It is very good for visual learning. Here, a card bearing information on both sides. On flashcards, we can write the information both the sides. We can do in such a way also one side question and answer on the other side. It is very useful in memorization. That some flashcards I'm showing you, although we are in a virtual mode, so virtually only I can show you everything. Malabar Coast. Then we can show the picture to the children and they can write a feature about that. Then Coromandel Coast, we can show them Konkan Coast, then Indian Desert, Himalayas, like this various peninsular plateau, and we can show them and then they can write features about these places also. So once again, one activity for all of you friends. Make flashcards. Paper and pen must be with you. So make flashcards on any topic of your choice and explain it. Do fast. Yes, friends. Are you making, friends?
Ma'am, we can make flashcards on relief features of India.
Yes. You make paper and pen. You have to make.
Show you.
Yes, yes,
We have
yes.
to show you
Yes, ma'am.
in different colors.
No, on plain paper also, because I cannot give virtually to chart papers and sketch pens to you.
Brown color.
Brown row, green row.
Can you do like that? Hello, Nutan ma'am.
Yes, yes, sir.
Can I do like this? Just as I have drawn a picture of our national tricolor, ma'am.
Yes,
and
yes,
has
sir.
asked what's the length and breadth ratio. Okay.
Yes.
Then it's okay. Otherwise, I would be answering that it's 3:2 that has been shown over here.
Yes,
Can it
yes.
be?
Yes, sir. Flashcard, you can
Thank
show the children
you.
anything, and then you can ask the questions. You can write the questions also. You can write the definitions also, or the important topics related to that. Anything you can do.
Ma'am, in primary classes, we can
Okay.
show landforms like this
Yeah.
by making flashcards, and we can ask the students to identify which landform we are talking about.
Yes, and if it is made on colorful papers with colorful sketch pens, then
yes.
it will be very attractive for those smaller children.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Then, ma'am, this is just one example of flashcard. I cannot make it because right now sketch
Yeah,
pens are
no
not
problem,
available.
no problem, ma'am.
So this is, for example, one relief feature, Northern Mountains.
Yeah.
We can draw some mountain pictures, and then we will just mention all the specific features of the mountains, and
Yes.
there will be some questions.
Yes,
In this
yes.
page only, there will be some questions that highest peak in the world, highest
Yeah,
peak in India, like that, some GK. In this way, the general knowledge of the students will be
Yes,
enhanced.
it will enhance. Like this, only various flashcards we can make. Other subject teachers, have you made the flashcards?
By showing these, we can explain the life cycle of butterfly.
Yes, yes.
Pollination.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. In economics, through flashcard, we can ask question to like different sectors of economy. Like we will show the picture of agriculture and ask the student which sector agriculture belong, and
Yes,
then
yes.
industry, then service. So through the with the help of pictures, we can ask question to the student.
Pie charts also we can show them.
Yes,
They
yes,
will,
we can use
they
pie
will
chart
understand the
also.
exact percentage of everything.
We can also write a summary, ma'am.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
showing
Summary,
you
key definitions,
summary.
everything.
I'm showing you, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm showing you summary.
Yes, yes.
With the help of camera. This is the summary.
Yeah. It is visible, ma'am. Yes.
Yes.
Nutan,
Pressure.
Yes, ma'am.
Pressure and force, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
yes,
a small
yes,
of the
biology. Yes,
in
yes.
biology.
In biology
for photosynthesis.
Yeah.
Carbon dioxide from air, water and mineral from soil, like this, and
Yes.
solar radiation from the sun, and that is the kitchen of the plant, like that, the leaf.
Yes,
where
yes.
synthesis takes place and organic
yes.
compounds is formed.
Yes, we
Like
can.
this.
In science,
We
we
can
have
also make a
too
flow
much
sheet,
scope.
ma'am.
Yes, flow sheet.
Flow
Also,
sheet we can
anything
also
which
do.
can
Yes,
be
ma'am.
shown visual, it will help them
Yes,
in visual
ma'am.
learning. Anything we
Yes,
can
In
show.
geography also, ma'am, we can
Yes,
show how
yes.
meandering of a river forms Oxbow Lake.
Yes.
That also
Yes,
we can show through flash.
By
We can-
making worksheet also. Worksheet
making
is
worksheet.
also.
Yes.
ma'am. It is also fruitful.
Yes. And in literature subjects also, whether it is
Ma'am,
English.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
For example, if we have to teach countable and uncountable nouns in class 5th,
Yeah.
so we can this type of words, suffering, notebook, umbrella shape, and we can
Yes.
show them and we can ask which one you can count and which one you can't.
Yes,
This way
yes.
they will know.
Yes, it is up to us, up to our imagination, how interesting we can make these flashcards for our students. And while doing revision, it is very important. Anyone else who is making?
Yes, ma'am. In math, on circular paper, circular pages, we can show fraction very easily. A student can learn very easily what is 1/3, 1/5, 1/6.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
can
sir.
show on circular disc.
Yes, and very nicely children will understand it. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Most of the students have problem in what is 1/7, how we can write.
Yeah.
6/5, what is 9/11.
And they don't understand the exact meaning of that fraction.
Yes, ma'am.
That they
Sometimes
can
we can do activity to take potato and we can cut in different parts and we can show this part
show
is
them.
out of
Yes.
particular part.
Yes, sir.
We can also show diagram, ma'am. In
Yes,
science, we can
diagrams.
also
Yes,
show
in
diagram.
science, we have lots of scope, lots of ideas in science.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
visual
ma'am.
thing is very important in science, diagrams and whatever
Uh,
other
excuse
things
me,
in an interesting way.
Hello,
Yes.
ma'am.
concerned to in mathematics subject, the expanded will be explained through different
Yes.
types of number, and we explain it. What is the expanded form? Suppose that 2486, the 4 card will be there, and we can show easily.
Yes, sir. Yes,
To
sir. And so
Hello,
at
ma'am.
home, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. In biology, we have to show many diagrams, like when we are taught about human digestive system, about the excretion, and more other things like circulatory system. Then we go for the flashcard and we make the diagram on the board, and we describe all the parts very easily.
Yes, ma'am. It is very easy and children will learn very thing. They can revise very easily if we show them these flashcards. So
in lower classes also mathematics missing number is also shown by the flashcard.
Yes. In lower classes, this visual techniques help a lot because children, yes.
Very persistent.
And they do very
Yes,
interesting.
Nutan ma'am. Hello,
Yes.
Nutan ma'am.
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
Nutan ma'am.
Yes,
Hello,
ma'am.
Nutan ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am. In English also, English also, if we are going to teach abstract noun, then we can
Yes.
flash by some facial expressions also by showing
Yeah.
expressions of love, sadness, happiness,
Yes.
kindness, honesty.
That will be
Okay,
very
by,
interesting for the
just-
smaller children.
Yes.
Yes.
Of course. ma'am.
Emojis also we can show. Nowadays we
Yes.
have different types of
Yes,
emojis.
yes.